Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Hanging a poster with adhesives. Tape your poster to the wall with magic tape for easy removal later. Magic tape isn't as sticky as other tapes and won't tear your poster when removing it. Even after long periods of use or in warmer climates, you won't have to worry about it permanently affixing to your poster. Magic tape is also nearly invisible when used on a smooth surface, making it a very non-invasive technique to hang something. You could also use washi tape. It acts similarly to magic tape, with the added bonus of having fun and colorful patterns on it, allowing for further decorative options. Mount a heavier poster on a wall with poster tack. Rip off a small piece of the tack and mold it between your fingers into a flat little patty. Make a few of these and place them at the points on the poster where you want to stick it to the wall. Firmly press the putty against the wallet to make it stay in place. Mounting tack can rumple and damage paper at the contact points and is recommended only for thicker material posters or those mounted to a backing. Don't place the tack on freshly or poorly painted surfaces, or you could peel the paint off when removing the poster. Warmer climates can sometimes cause the tack to melt and slide off the wall, or permanently stick itself to the wall or poster. Attach mounting or poster tape to hang a poster without damaging a wall. You can buy mounting or poster tape sold as either a roll which you cut up into tabs or as pre-cut individual tabs. Place the sticky sides of the tabs face down on the back of the poster in each corner and remove the film covering before pressing it firmly against the wall to mount it. Use your hands to flatten and smooth out any wrinkly portions of the poster after you've put it on the wall. You can remove the poster from the wall without damaging it in any way. The same may not be the case for your poster when you try to remove the tape tabs. Be careful when applying mounting tape, as it's incredibly easy to tear paper and cardstock posters when using it. Paste your poster on a blank canvas as an alternative to a frame. If you want to give your poster a nice permanent backing, you can buy a canvas and a spray or gel adhesive such as Mod Podge at an art supplies store. Coat the back of the poster and the canvas in a layer of it and carefully place the poster against the canvas. Hold it for 30 seconds, then let it completely dry before hanging. Test a small amount of the adhesive on the poster beforehand to make sure it won't damage it by bleeding through or causing ink to run. You can get canvases of various thicknesses to suit the poster you're putting on it. Attaching a poster with clips, tacks, magnets, or Velcro. Hang binder clips from nails to easily swap out posters. Hammer in 2 small nails above the poster on each side and hang a binder clip from both. You can now easily clip or unclip a poster from the binder clips at any time. You can also hang canvases this way without damaging them. Just use bigger binder clips and larger nails if it's significantly heavier. Alternatively, clipboards, pant or skirt hangers can be used instead of binder clips. Clipboards, in particular, serve as a nice backing for flimsier posters. Use staples, map tacks, or thumb tacks on less precious pieces. For this method, simply punch a tack through the poster and into the wall behind it. Make sure it's securely stuck into the wall and holding the poster up first before taking your hands away. It works best if you punch through the corners. Tacks will leave a small hole in the poster and in the wall behind it. Do not use this method if you don't want to damage your poster. Staples can also be used, Just open up the stapler all the way and place its head against the poster before pushing it in to staple it. Try using magnets and paper clips to hang a poster anywhere. With masking tape, stick the paper clips to your wall behind where you want to hang your poster. From there, place a small magnet on the front of the poster where the paper clip is to hold it up. You may need to use a few pairs of paper clips and magnets depending on how heavy the poster is. Avoid using strong magnets so as to not crumple the part of the poster beneath it. Stick Velcro fasteners on the wall to easily hang or remove posters. Attach the sticky side of the fasteners to the corners of a poster and to 4 spots on the wall where you want to hang it. Make sure that the poster has either all the loops or hook fasteners, while the wall has the opposite. Line up the fasteners against each other and press them together to have it fix in place. If you have multiple posters of the same size, you can put fasteners on them all and exchange them out as you please.